Hello everyone, I'm so excited to share something really special with you today. You know how much I love my little quails. I call them my little chickens because they're just so cute and full of personality. Well, something amazing happened. When I checked on them this morning, I found not one, not two, but four little eggs waiting for me. I couldn't believe my eyes. So beautiful a sunrise for me and a gift. Honestly, my heart is just so full right now. These little quails bring me so much joy every single day. They're always running around, chirping and enjoying the sunshine. And now they've surprised me with their very first eggs. It feels like a little gift, a sign that they're happy and comfortable. I really love these little ones and I know they love me back. This is such a beautiful moment. I just had to share it. Stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on my little chicken's adventures. See you soon.